Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So have you found yourself locked out of the Roblox account? In this video, I'll show you how to reactivate your account if you have deactivated in the past. And I'll cover common reasons for account deactivation and provide clear instructions on how to get back into the Roblox world. So let's get started. Reactivating your Roblox account depends on why it was deactivated. If you have deactivated on your own and it has been temporarily deactivated, if you go to roblox.com and if you had previously logged into your account in this web browser and you're deactivated from the same web browser, you'll see the page something like this that will indicate account deactivated. Your account is currently deactivated, and there you will see the reactivate option in the middle. Go ahead and tap on this option over here, and you'll be done. But if your account was banned or is suspended due to violation, first you need to understand the reason. Check your email for a message from Roblox detailing the ban's reason and duration. And if you believe the ban was a mistake, go to Roblox Support page and complete the appeal form. Provide your username, your first name, your email address, confirm your email address, and also choose the device that you're having problem on. Choose the type of help category. And here in this box, you need to simply go ahead and describe your issue. Wait for the response from Roblox, and Roblox moderation team will review your appeal and respond accordingly. So that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.